Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to another weekly savings challenge and dividend portfolio update. Thank you so much for waiting and thank you so much to all the new subscribers for subscribing to my channel even though I could not upload for 2 weeks due to work. You guys are the best. Before we start the video, I would like to say thank you so much for those who participated in my first giveaway. Unfortunately, my channel did not manage to reach 200 subscribers by December 29th. We were at 195 subscribers on that date. But that's okay, I will try and improve my contents further so I can attract more people to subscribe. Thank you again, and I can assure you that I will organize more giveaways in the future to help you with your personal finances as well. Now, let's move on to the video. I have started a new savings challenge, which is an emergency fund savings challenge. Now that I have started working a proper full-time job, I will be having a more stable monthly income and I can save a little bit more than what I have saved in the past. I continued to deposit weekly amounts towards my emergency fund despite not being able to post online for the past couple of weeks. So as you can see here, for the week starting 4th of January, I contributed 15 ringgit towards the fund. Then I contributed 57 ringgit for the following week, and for this week starting 18 January 2021, the random between 1 to 26 formula shows number 18, which means that I have to set aside 54 ringgit this week. So far, I have progressed around 31% for this emergency fund goal and have 723 ringgit to go. Now, let's move on to the Trading 212 dividend portfolio update. Let me bring everyone back to 28th of December 2020. On that day, I bought myself a little bit more of Moderna, 0.01 shares to be exact. Then I spent $5 on my new pie, which I called the Go Green Pie because the companies under this pie are companies that produce and support renewable energy. Among these three companies, only Brookfield Renewable Partners pays dividends every quarter. Renewable Energy Group and Canadian Solar are growth companies. Then I received 2 cents from Bank of America and bought a bit more of Renewable Energy Group as it was still in the red at that point of time. On the 5th of January, I bought more of Waste Management and JP Morgan. I am actually in a dilemma on whether I should buy more of JP Morgan now because the share price is at its peak. The share price can either continue to climb, making the current peak as the lowest price, or diving down, making the current peak as the highest price. I am sorry if I am making everyone confused with this unnecessary dilemma. Oh, and I finally managed to sell my BP PLC on 7th of January. The share price is finally in the green at that point of time and I sold it for a 50 cents gain. Then I also bought more of Realty Income as the price is below $60. $60 is my benchmark for Realty Income. If the prices go below $60, I will make sure that I will go and grab them. But with the current COVID situation that seems to have no end, I am not really sure whether real estate companies like Realty Income can survive this economic downturn. So maybe I should start letting go of my other real estate companies to reduce any possible losses in the future. I also bought more of AT&T and also JP Morgan again. I think I made a mistake buying more of AT&T. The company's share price doesn't show any signs of recovery and it has been hovering below the $30 benchmark since I started investing with Trading 212. On the 12th of January, I received more dividends of 5 cents from LTC and 3 cents from Medical Properties Trust. Then I bought more of Realty Income and also Tritax Big Box REIT. My portfolio closed at 166.03 USD, up by 9.14%. The portfolio performance was much better since 2021 started. I must say that 2020 was very grueling, and the one of the only best thing that came out from 2020 is my decision to start investing and finding a like-minded community in terms of personal finance and also cash management. The biggest winner so far is Moderna, followed closely by JP Morgan, and the biggest loser for my portfolio was AstraZeneca, down by 3.66%, which is not bad at all. Please take note that anything mentioned in this video is not a financial advice, and my videos are for entertainment purposes only. Please seek professional advice from certified advisors before starting to invest your hard-earned money. Every investment has its own risks, especially in this uncertain time. Moving on to our last agenda, let's see which company has an ex-dividend date next week. Let me reset this, click on Dividends Tools and get upcoming dividends. I learned how to do this Google Sheet listing from a fellow YouTuber called Investing Sensei. I will link the video tutorials on how to come up with this dividend tracker on the top right corner if you guys are interested and want to track dividends from your favorite companies. Head on to his channel and show some support. I have updated my portfolio tickers under the tickers tab, hence the list is much shorter in this week's update. From here, we can see that LTC and JP Morgan will be paying out their dividends at the end of January. As for the ex-dividend dates, we still have the chance to invest more in LTC, Main Street Capital, Visor, Stack Industrial, and Realty Income. All these are monthly paying dividend companies except for Visor. I think that is all for today's video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Be safe and take care.